palm crush for the foot. It's like you have a crush on the foot. You love the foot. You just move at the arch. Right where a woman wears high heels, providing instant relief after a hard day of work or night on the town clubbing. Same thing, just on the opposite side. Feels good. It's more the lateral side on the top part where that heel cuts off circulation from the foot. When your woman comes home from work, this will give them instant relief. Both thumbs are placed at the heel, gliding both thumbs from inferior to superior portions of the foot. This is a ringing of the foot. When you ring the foot, you're releasing lymph nodes and stagnant blood in the feet. This move, you're basically going to flex the foot, plantar flex the foot, and glide in between yourself at the side of the table and glide up towards the inferior portion of the toes. This is just a side, little piggies, using side movements from lateral to medial, double thumb pressure. This is an extensor and ankle stripping of your thumb. You're moving in between the ankle joints towards the inferior portion or insertion of your extensors of your lower leg. Place your palm underneath the client's heel while the other finger slides in between the toes, and you do pinching or swirls with your hands in between the toes. This is a very good erogenous zone for if you have someone who just needs to relax, has a lot of tension. This releases endorphins. You do vice grips. You're vice gripping the client's head. This releases the parietal or parietal muscles and also stretches the fascia on top of the head, which is called the aponeurosis. Now you're doing finger glides or finger walks up towards the occipital ridge and moving in a circular motion, clockwise and counterclockwise, releasing those rectus femoris, releasing those rectus capitis muscles. Do your spider walks fast up the side of the neck. This is tricep neck release. You're pulling up on the head at the occipital ridge and pushing down on the upper traps. This is very relaxing and soothing for the client. They had a long day, hard workout, kids getting on your nerves. This will calm you and relax you. The weight of the world is on your shoulders. Press it down, get it off. This is a QL muscle stretch. When you're working on the QL muscles, your quadratus lumborum, you first want to go in, press in. Normally, if it's tender there, the person hikes their hip or moves fast, this is a good indication that they have some sort of impingement with their psoas muscle or QL muscle. So before you work on the QL muscle, glide your fingers into the body first. Now that there's no problems, now do your thumb glides and you're just pushing down one after another. Down, 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 very fast with your elbows. This is a double palm glide, moving upwards and outwards towards the lateral side of the body, and then you're gonna spread and open your fingers as if you have 5 fingers. Your clients will love this type of movement because they won't realize that it's just one palm movement. It's actually double. And open up those fingers. This is a double thumb glide up the erector spinae muscles, your back muscles. It's a group of 3. very stubborn, they're picky muscles, but they do erect your back, they support your back, hold you upright, but they definitely need to be stripped. Slap technique, it's like your hands are slapping the back. You can do it really fast, and it really looks like 100 hands are slapping the back. But for our video, we're going to go ahead and slow it down. Now you're doing sun over the moon, just like the earth is in a gravitational pull. It's morning, then it's night, sun over the moon. You place the client's arm into a handcuff position or chicken wing, because the arm position looks like a chicken wing. Thumb glide in between the client's palm, and on the opposite side, put their arm into a chicken wing and pull their fingers from the opposite side of the table.